Greetings, everybody. This is Keith from FCS. So, guys, being that it's Black History Month, I decided I want to do a video every day for the 28 days, just giving some tips or advice on how we as a community, African American community, can rise up and do better. Now, the things in this contained in these videos, I believe can be translated to any other person as well. But being that it's Black History Month, I thought it appropriate to talk about ways we can raise up the Black community. So today, I want to briefly talk about excellence. And I firmly believe that the only way to truly overcome racism, the only way to truly close these education gaps and close all these things and raise the Black community up is through excellence. And so you may think, well, you know, it's through policies and stuff like that. I don't agree. I don't believe it's through March. I don't believe it's through policies. I don't think it's through government or anything like that. I think it's purely through excellence, doing our absolute best in every area of our life. Because people who are racist, what they do is they target all the negative things. They target the single parent homes. They target the drugs. They target the neighborhoods as their evidence as to why they're superior or why we're inferior. And that's just not the case. Because as you can see in our history, the reason why we've come so far as a community is because the excellence that we have portrayed, right? The excellence we have achieved, you know, in so many different fields. And just kind of throwing out a few names, you have like Martin Luther King, Mary Bethune, Hank Aaron. All these people were excellent in their field, and they were so good, because this is what excellence does. You're so good, it forces people to reconsider their beliefs. It forces them. They have no choice. And no policy is going to force anyone to reevaluate their belief. No marching is going to do that. Taking, you know, Aunt Jemima and Uncle Ben off of packages isn't going to make anyone reevaluate their belief. Only through excellence, only through breaking down all those barriers are we ever going to rise up. So I'm encouraging every African American person, anyone, you know, I encourage you, be excellent in everything you are, in your marriage, with your children, in school, at work, in inventing, business, whatever you're doing. In everything you're doing, absolute excellence in everything. And when we do that, not only will we destroy racism altogether, but you will find a lot of these gaps that we've been trying to close for years through policy and marching and things like that will come they'll close. They will close. So guys, first video of Black History Month, excellence in everything we do. Let that resonate within your mind forever. Y'all take care. I'll be back tomorrow.